Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a professional blog article in less than 2 minutes. And if you stay to the end, I'm also going to be showing you how you can get Copy.ai Pro for free. And that's not all. Please come closer. I'm also going to be showing you Copy.ai Pro alternative that will blow your mind. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into my computer so that I can show you how to do this thing. So here in Copy.ai, you want to write a blog post. All you have to do is just come here and click on blog post wizard. So here you're going to put your title and then put the keywords and put your tone. If you want it to be friendly, luxurious, if you want relaxed, professional, bold, adventurous, witty, or persuasive. Now, this keyword is very important. Keyword is what will rank your blog post in the search engine. That is, when someone searches something on Google, your keywords is what is going to bring out your blog post to the front page. I've done a video on keywords and SEO in the past. Please go and check my SEO tutorial. I will leave the link in the description so that you can go through it and learn everything about SEO and how to rank in the first page of Google. So let's assume that you have your keywords. This is where you're going to put your keyword, and this is what is going to rank you in the first page. Now, first thing first, let's write our blog title. I want our blog title to be how to make money online. Then the keyword could be anything depending on the researched keyword. So this is our blog title. Now we're going to put in keywords. Let's use make money online. You can use multiple keywords if you want to, but let's just, for the purpose of this training, let's just keep it like this. Then you can choose from friendly to professional to bold to adventurous to witty. So let's just use professional, but you can use any tone that best suits your personality. Now, you see the amazing thing about this platform, it has already generated the outline for our article. So all we have to do now is to progress. But in case you want more outline, all you have to do is just come here and click on generate more. So it's going to add more outlines to the article. So now the next thing you want to do is to click on generate talking points. But first, you want to look at the outline and look at things that I can remove or things that I can add. So you can add your own, you can generate more, or you can just remove something. So for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to leave it as it is and just click on generate talking points. So what it's going to do now is going to generate the points for each section. So those outlines is going to now generate points for each of those outlines. Now you have seen it here, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? How to get started, the pros and cons of affiliate marketing, the best places to find affiliate marketing programs. Now, section 2, virtual assistant jobs. What is virtual assistant and how much do virtual assistants make, and blah blah blah. So it's an amazing tool. See how it's outlining it as if it's a real human, and nobody will know that it was written with the click of a button. So now we have all our talking points. So let's go ahead and generate the content itself. So you click on generate content. So you can see here introduction. Now, for instance, if you don't like this introduction, you just hit on regenerate content. It's going to give you another variation till you get something you want. So this is an even longer introduction, but personally, I don't like long introductions. So I'm going to click on regenerate so that we'll get something shorter, but something very, very captivating. Now, this one is shorter. Content writer, paid freelancer writing jobs, coaching, consulting, and all the rest of them. If you don't like the conclusion, you can click on regenerate. It's going to regenerate another content for you and make sure that everything is fine. I don't like this. The conclusion is too long. I like it very short so that I'll not, bore the people out. So, nope. Yes, I think this is good. I hope this article helped you understand how to make money online. If you are still unsure of what type of business to start, then consider checking out these other articles on the topic. It's important to remember that no matter the kind of business you choose, there will always be risk involved. However, if you follow these steps outlined above in order and get into it slowly, then with hard work, anything is possible. See, he just wrote it like a normal human being. So here that it left out for you is where you're supposed to put the link of your past article that you wrote about how to make money online and all that, so that the reader can also check out that article. So that is why it left this part out, because of course it doesn't know that one. So, but then if you don't like it, you can still hit on the regenerate to regenerate more. If you want to now create the blog post, you hit on create blog post. So it's going to now put everything together and put it in a blog format for you. As you can see, it's this is our first draft. It's amazing. Long blog post like this. It has 899 words and 5,280 characters. Can you beat that? So all you have to do is just copy and paste. You can edit, do your editing. Of course, I always advise edit, change some things, and you'll be fine. So this is how you can become a professional copywriter in less than 2 minutes. Now that's not all. Let me show you how you can get this Copy.ai Pro for free, because this is the pro version. If you're on the free version, you will not have much access to this blog wizard, but the pro version gives you access to the blog wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get Copy.ai for free. So this is Copy.ai homepage. So all you have to do is to just come to their homepage and then scroll all the way down. This method I'm about to show you is going to give you Copy.ai Pro for free for life. So if you scroll down, you're going to click on Creator Program. How it works: receive 1 month of Copy.ai Pro, make any of the following: TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest Idea Pin, and get a free month of Copy.ai Pro 40,000 word plan. I know you might have a question if this is a one-time offer or if you can do more of it. So here is the answer: you can do this as many times as you like. For each piece of content you create, you will get 1 month free. So every month you create one content for them, you get 1 month free. Every month you create one content for them, you get 1 month free. To show you that I've gotten mine, here is my own content. So here is my own content that is submitted, and I've gotten my own free version. So after the 1 month expires, or even before the 1 month expires, you can decide to do another video and then get an extension on your pro plan. How cool is that? Now that you stayed to this point, I promise that I'm going to be showing you the alternative to Copy.ai. So let me go ahead and do just that. So here is writesonic.com. It's just exactly the same thing or similar to Copy.ai. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. But if you don't have an account, you can just sign up with your email address. It's not difficult, just very simple. Sign up with your email address. It's free to sign up, no credit card required, and you can have access to WriteSonic. So here you can have everything that you need. You can create a blog post, article and blog, ads and marketing tools, general writing, e-commerce, social media, website copy, and others. So let's just quickly look at AI article writer. So here is AI article writer. You just follow the same process, put your topic. Copy.ai will ask you for tone, but here is quality type. So you can choose premium, good, average, economy. So I'll be leaving the link to this platform in the description, as well as Copy.ai, so that you can easily have access to it without having to come back to the video. Now, our article has been generated, and guess what? This one adds pictures. How amazing is this? This is mind-blowing. How to make money online, 17 ways you can earn a living online. Here you have blogging, and then you see it got our picture and then added credits to the picture. It got a picture and added credit. Like, you literally do not have to do anything. You just don't have to do anything, except you don't like the picture. You can now decide to, replace the picture. But if you like the picture, there's nothing else you need to do. So here is our article. We have the dropshipping, affiliate marketing, become an online tester, write and publish an ebook, produce and sell your own products, and blah blah blah. And I know you might have a question: if is plagiarism free? It's totally plagiarism free. Nobody can have this version of article again. If you click on generate again, it's going to give you a different version, and it will never bring up this version again. That's the amazing thing about it. Like, it's not a human being, it's an AI, so there's nothing like error. Plagiarism free. Just copy, paste, and start making money just like that. So my dear professional copywriter, I recommend that you watch this video next so that you can learn everything you need to know about SEO and how you can start implementing them in your articles. So your article will be ranked on Google's first page. My name is 7 Figure Boss, and I will see you on the other side.